Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. Today I will show how to display report parameters in a dialog. Open a report with parameters in the designer. Click Preview to display the report. By default, report parameters are displayed in a panel in the viewer. The report is shown automatically if the request parameters property is set to false. Go back to the report design mode. Open the report properties. To do this, select the Report tab in the ribbon and click the Properties button. Set the Parameters Display Mode property to Dialog on the Properties panel. Click Preview to display the report. Now the report parameters are shown in a dialog. Click the Submit button to generate the report. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!